Hi guys, this is Group 21. My name is Nick and I'll be talking about the complement system today. The complement is a part of your immune system that activates when those nasty germs get infected and it starts underneath your skin. There are multiple layers to the complement system and it ensures that your body gets rid of any germs that is infecting you. First step is the activation step. This is where the complement system starts. So your body naturally knows what is considered cells that belong to yourself and what's considered a foreign germ. These foreign germs usually have abnormal patterns that our regular cells don't have, and these patterns are called PAMPs, or pathogen associated molecular patterns. The body is constantly searching for these PAMPs, and we use different proteins that act almost like a lock. So when that lock is activated by the correct key or the PAMPs, they start to send signals to the complement cascade to start.
One of the first things to happen after activation is splitting of the protein called C3. C3 gets cut in half into two parts, C3A and C3B. C3A goes out and starts inflammation. Inflammation is kind of complex, but simply put, very tiny blood vessels called capillaries start to grow holes. This allows fluid to rush into the site of infection. These holes will also allow for your body's defenders, white blood cells, to start rushing in. Some red blood cells also pass through these holes, turning the site red.
C3b, on the other hand, acts kind of like a flag. C3b physically attaches itself to the nasty germ and tells the white blood cell to fully eat and engulf the bad germ. C3b has a secondary job of helping create proteins that poke holes in the bad germs themselves. C3b helps form another protein called C5b. This protein, along with a few others, help create something called the membrane attack complex, which is essentially taking a drill and putting a big hole in the outer skin of the bad germs. This allows for the bad germs' internal stuff to leak out, essentially killing it. Of course, complement is a lot more complicated than what was explained here, but this is an easily digestible form of what the main system that is complement.